welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. Today's video is going to be super fun. This is going to be a PR unboxing haul, and I'm so excited. I got a bunch of packages and I decided I would wait and collect them all up so I could do a YouTube video unboxing. I've never done something like this before, so I'm super excited. And I know a lot of people were requesting that I review brands other than like Gymshark or big brands, so I'm really excited because I got some activewear from some different brands, so I would love to let you guys know my thoughts on it. I'm super excited, so I'm just gonna get right into it. I feel like this could end up being maybe a long video. I don't really know. I have my knife ready to go to open these. So the first package is from Good Molecules. This is a skincare brand. They reached out to me a while ago actually, and I wasn't sure if this was coming or not. So it was a pleasant surprise to have it on my doorstep. Oh my God. Look at this packaging though. For this, I didn't ask for any products. They just said they would send over products. I mentioned like my under eyes are a little dark and the kind of like acne that I do get, but I didn't ask for any specific stuff, so I'm super excited to show you guys what they decided to send over to me. So first I have a silicone-free priming moisturizer. I'm really excited about this. Oh, I'm excited about this. This is a niacinamide brightening toner. I actually use niacinamide face oil. If you guys know who Skincare by Hiram is, he put me on to The Ordinary one. So I'm excited about this because it's a toner. I don't use toner, so I feel like this is gonna have me with like a whole night routine, which I'm really excited about because I haven't been good about having like a routine where I focus on my skincare, so this is my calling to do so. Next, this is a niacinamide serum. This is the caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches. They read my mind. My under eyes just get so dark. I don't know if that's fixable or not, but I'm excited to try this out. Okay, so next up I'm gonna open what's from Lounge. I did pick this out. I'm excited to see it in person. Okay, so I have the high-waisted legging bottoms. These are the Reborn ones in a size small, and I got the color mink. Ooh. I was really curious to know what this material is like. When you look at it online, it looks like it can either be like cheap cotton or like high quality soft, and I'm here to say high quality soft is the vibe. Wow. I'm impressed. I really like these. I wanted to get like a loungewear moment, and these are really soft. These are with no intention to work out in, but more to like wear around the house. Super stretchy, and I got them in this beige color. I love the waistband. I usually don't like flashy stuff, but I think that this is really cute. Okay. Hopefully they fit me well. I'm not sure how the front seam is going to be. We'll have to see. So this is the matching top. This is the Reborn top in a size small as well in the color mink. This looks big. I think it'll fit fine, but like maybe I should have gotten extra small. I don't have much for yitties. This is a size small though. This is the look, so it's gonna look like that with the Lounge waistband. You'll definitely see it on my Instagram. Okay, I'm really excited for this next package. I posted a preview that I got this on my Instagram, and a few girls actually were like, please let us know your thoughts on this because like we've been wanting to try the brand. So the brand is LiCi Fit. I used to think it was LiCi, but it's LiCi. They let me choose a set, so I got to pick it on the website, and I decided to go for the red, what is this print? Like snake print moment? I'm obsessed with this actually. I decided to go with sports bra and shorts so that it wasn't like too much print all over my body. I felt like leggings would kind of be a lot. So I got both in a size small. So these are like a V. Wow, these are really cute. I got these are like a V crisscross in the front. They do have like a front seam, but I have leggings like this from Luna by Lucy where when they kind of sew it inwards like this, it's actually not as bad. So we'll have to see when I try it on. This crisscross, I feel like it's gonna be so flattering, and I also got the one with the booty scrunch. So I think this will be very flattering on. I'm excited to see how it fits in the quads. It doesn't have like anything that I feel like will dig in, and the material is kind of lightweight and very stretchy. So I'm happy that I stuck with a small. I wasn't sure if I should like size up to a medium. These I feel like are gonna be a hot tamale moment in the gym. And then as I said, I just got the matching sports bra. I wanted to keep it very basic, so I got just the racer back with a nice V cut so it could be kind of flattering. And I'm glad I got a size small. This looks like it's gonna fit me very well. Guys, I deadass like gasped when I saw this email from PrettyLittleThing. I thought it was like spam. I literally thought it was spam because I was like, there's no way. PrettyLittleThing reached out, and it's their like lifestyle Instagram page, reached out and let me pick out a few products from their website. I love PrettyLittleThing. I have a lot of their normal clothes like sweatpants and like jeans and stuff. So to get some of their active kind of clothes is very exciting. So I can give my 2 cents on that. Okay, I was taking a risk with this one. Like not a risk, but This definitely isn't something that I would normally wear. I don't have anything like this, and it's very soft. I'm very impressed. Wow, this quality, I thought this was gonna be like cotton, but it's like spandex. Okay, this is definitely something that I don't have in my wardrobe, but I'm really excited about it. So I saw Gymshark launch like romper onesies, but I've seen a lot of girls wear the full length onesies and wore it with like a jean jacket or something, and I just think it's so freaking cute, and I can't believe this material. I think this is gonna be really, really cute. So I got it in this taupe color, as you guys can see, and the back is a crisscross moment, and it just goes all the way down into leggings. Oh my gosh. I'm like shook at how cute this is. I was kind of nervous about getting this, but I'm really happy I did. It's like so stretchy. Like, do you guys see that? Like, it's definitely gonna fit me super duper nicely. I'll have to see how it fits. Like, the biggest risk with like things like this is like how long the torso to crotch is, but it looks like it'll be just fine. Wow. So next we have the black zip up sculpt, the black zip up sculpt luxe jacket, and I got it in a size 8, and that's in UK numbers. Okay, this is really cute. Okay, so I got this with like a vision. So I love me some cropped versions of these kind of hoodies that are like kind of skin tight, high neck moment. Just for like on a cold night in the summer or something, because I like that it's really lightweight. It's pretty stretchy. Hopefully it fits me nice in the arms, but it's pretty stretchy, and it's a zipper, but the zipper is pretty concealed. I really like that. Oh, okay, so I guess it's like a quarter zip unzip. I'm not gonna try this on right now, but my vision is this with shorts like this. I feel like that'd be super cute. And keep this in mind for the next thing I show. These were like the first thing I was drawn to on the website because I love me some shorts, clearly. I love wearing these Gymshark ones, and I've always wanted a pair of white shorts, but I've never budged on buying them because I don't want to pay like a lot of money for them if they're just probably gonna get a little messed up. So these are the white mini running shorts, and I got them in a size 10, which is a US size 6. These might be a little big on the waist, but I felt like going down would be too small for me. Maybe I could have sized down, we'll have to see. I think these look so cute. Like, imagine these with just this crop top or with that like black quarter zip moment. I feel like that's just so freaking cute, and the quality of these really surprised me. I wasn't sure what to expect with their activewear quality. This is a Purple Sculpt Luxe cross hem gym crop top t-shirt in a size UK 8, which is a US 4. This is so cute. So I got it because it's this vibrant, you can't really tell, it's coming up kind of blue, but it's more purple in person. I like that the bottom has a slight asymmetrical hem going on, but it's just very simple, a t-shirt. But I like how stretchy this is, and it seems like really nice quality. I'm very impressed with the PrettyLittleThing quality. Last but not least, I flipped out at this email, like probably the hardest. I got an email from BuffBunny, and they wanted to send me over some stuff to try out. I've actually never tried BuffBunny before. I've always wanted to. It's always been on my list because they're so great at being like diverse and inclusive of like different sizes and ethnicities and everything like that, which is something that I really appreciate in a brand. So I'm really excited. I'm hoping that everything fits. Again, I've never purchased from them, so I have no idea how the sizing is, but look how big the box was. I don't know what else could be in here. The way that I had so much patience, I wanted to open this so bad, but I was like, no, I gotta wait for YouTube. Let's start with what's on top. Let's see. Okay, holy crap. This is like 3 sets. Okay, 1 second. Let me put this box down. What is this? This is a game changer bag. What the heck? I'm like, I feel so spoiled right now. This is big. She's big and roomy. Let's open her up. Thank you, BuffBunny. Okay, so we have like a leather bag moment. I'm shook. This is so beautiful. It's like this big tote bag. Look how big it is compared to my body. Like, she is big and roomy. I really like this a lot. Just this big, big bag. I actually really like this. I can put like my laptop in here, like my Blu-ray case in here, and it has just like a bunch of pouches. This is really nice. I did not know they were gonna send me this. That is really sweet. What is this on the side? Shut the fuck up. They have an insulated cooler. I'm shook as hell right now. This is literally an insulated cooler section of the tote bag. This is like perfect for me because I travel a lot. Wow. Thank you, BuffBunny. I haven't even opened the clothes. Now on to all the clothes. I'm like screaming inside. This is like the nicest PR package I've ever gotten. I see some white marble. Okay, I'm gonna start on the white marble then. I saw them, they just released the white marble collection and I was like, that's so cute. Probably wouldn't buy it for myself because I might get it dirty. I love when I get stuff that I wouldn't get for myself because I'm nervous. Look at this crop top. It's a white marble crop top, super stretchy material. This is freaking cute. These are the Limitless biker short in white marble in a size small. Oh my God. Ah, these are so cute. Look at these. High-waisted moment with a phone pocket. I have a feeling these are definitely not going to be squat proof. I'll definitely wear these for like an upper body day. They're not that see-through though, to be honest. I'm very shocked. They're less see-through than my yellow Gymshark Vital tee, but I love the no front seam moment. It has the side pockets right here, and I like that their waistbands aren't like cutting in. They're really nice. This is like a buttery soft material, but still has very good compression. This is a look. I'm so happy right now. This is the Monarch sports bra in navy. Okay, I love a navy moment. Pretty. Oh my gosh, this sports bra, I've seen Tracy in this and I've seen Jackie Fitness in this. They wear these all the time and I love the back. This on back day, hello? This is so beautiful. What the heck? I got this in a size small. Hopefully it'll fit. I definitely think it will. I like the cupped padding and it's not too like, I like that nothing is very tight. Like it's not gonna be digging into me. This is so cute. I can't wait to see what is paired with this. Okay, we have the Rosa pocket legging in navy. So I guess it's gonna match the bra. I love this material. It's very like soft, like it's soft, but it's still nice and like compressed. So this, there is no front seam. We love to see it. It looks like it, but there's not one. And then there's pockets on the side. I'm not usually like a big pocket with legging kind of girl, but we'll have to see how these fit. I could see myself really wearing these a lot for like even just going to class and stuff. Here's the hybrid leggings in nearly natural. I was gonna say neutral. Ah! Not me yelling. I love a green moment. Shut up, look at me in the plant. No front seam, thank you very much. I love this color so much. This is giving very much Amazon Whitney Simmons color vibes. This is the hybrid sports bra. Their sports bras are so flattering. Like they know exactly how to make the cuts of these. This back is gonna be also so cute on back day. And I love the deep V front. I might have to wear that this week. I'm so excited. Last but not least is these last three, which I did ask for this print. This is the Bossy print, and these are the Legacy biker shorts. I've seen these a few times on a lot of people and I was like, these are really cute, I want these. This print is everything. It's a very nice tapered waistband, no front seam as they shouldn't, and I love the way this print looks, and I love the way this butt seam is. I feel like it's gonna be so flattering on the booty. And I got this length of legging. I think I got the longer inseam just because I don't want it to be too short. I'm excited for the leggings too. So they have the exact same back as the shorts with the tapered waist, no front seam, and the print goes all the way down. I love this print. Like if I'm gonna get a print, I want it to be super cute, and I don't have anything like this. I don't really have any like polka dot kind of leggings. And lastly, for the bra, so this is it. It's kind of like a square neck moment with a nice little long line bralette, and the back is a crisscross. This is gonna be super flattering. I don't think I'm gonna make this a try on video, but I'll probably do a try on my Instagram, and I'll probably post a bunch of pictures in it to make up for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was fun for you. It was really fun for me. I definitely want to do more videos like this in the future. I think we're at 2,000 followers on here. We're really, really close. So thank you guys so much for that too. Like, it really means a lot to me to have support on 2 different platforms, where this one is a lot more personal and I can chat with you guys a lot more. So just thank you, and I hope everyone's doing well, and I hope everyone has an amazing summer, and thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.